attempting to replace the fan with a more powerful fan like this. Now let's see if I can do this without destroying my computer. Attempting to clean the clutter in the CPU with my nails. I'm not sure this is necessary, but I'll try. Looks complicated. No, not really. It's bolt by bolt by bolt by bolt. Easier than fixing cars, I can tell you that. Cars require bigger tools, bigger machinery, and this is just a few screws and bolts. No big deal. No big deal. No big deal. Gonna install an Iron Man core. Ooh, look at this. Magical. Whoa. And of course, I didn't forget to remove this. Probably he's gonna screw everything up. Taste. I want to taste this space. Cross. We have another one there, and another one there. Yeah. Spread it around. Now I can put it in. Yeah. Placing this Turbo Edition with the 660, which is very outdated. Very outdated, like an ancient technology from the medieval times. The 1060 Turbo Edition, yeah. Finally installed. Because the last time it overheated. Look at this dated technology. This almost made me overheat. Intel Basic. Look at the big difference. Big difference. Small tower. Oh Lord have mercy. And then shove it like this. There you go. There you go. All installed. Here you go, Mr. Fan. Barely any space. Barely any space in there with the memory card. Oh Lord have mercy. I put this back and all those bloody wires. Oh Lord have mercy. Alright, I think it's spinning in there. Looks like it's spinning. Definitely spinning. That's spinning. That's spinning. Definitely spinning. Alright. Finally.